Sairam children. In today's session, we are going to do GK of Standard 2. We are going to start with Chapter 1. Okay children, now open your book, pencil, eraser. We are going to learn today Lesson 1 and Lesson 2. So, we will start with Lesson 1. Now children, open your books, write it. Okay children, now let's learn about useful comparisons. Okay children, what is meaning of comparisons? You are comparing person or thing. Understood children? Now you will see the examples on the board. Filling the blanks using pictures given on the board. So now first example is as brave as a dash. Now can you see children the picture? Whose picture it is? Lion. Okay, lion is the king of jungle. You should be brave as like lion. So, as brave as a lion. Yes, good children. As brave as a lion. Now, we will see second example. 2. As busy as a dash. Now can you see the picture of bee? You should be always busy like a bee, honey bee. Okay, so as busy as a bee. Now we'll see the next example, third. Can you see the picture? What picture it is? Sky. What is the color of the sky children here? Blue. Wow. As blue as the sky. Okay children. As blue as the sky. Fourth one. Now what is here children? Gold. Wow. As good as gold. You should be as good as gold children. Everybody like gold. Yes, very good. As good as gold. Now fifth example. As black as dash. Now what you see in the picture here? Black color like your hair. As black as coal. As black as coal. Very good children. 7. As clever as a dash. What is the picture here? Fox. Wow, you should be also clever like a fox. As clever as a fox. Where do you see children fox? In the jungle. So, as clever as a fox. Next. Now, you can see a picture. Okay, what is the picture here? Dog. As faithful as a dog. Yes, you should be faithful like a dog. As faithful as a dog. Next, as gentle as a dash. Now which picture you can see here? Lamb. You should also be gentle like a lamb. As gentle as a lamb. Next. No. Wow. What is here? Peacock. You can see his feathers. Okay, she dances in rainy season. Okay, she open all her feathers. As proud as a peacock. You should be also as proud like peacock. Yes, as proud as a peacock. Now, what you can see here? Snowman. As white as snow. Wow. So we have completed first chapter. Okay, children? Now we will do second chapter. Let's learn something about manners. Lesson 2. Brush up your manners. Now, children, some polite sentences are given on the board. When and where you will use them. Okay. Now, can you see here one girl? There are statements around. There are sentences around. You are welcome. Excuse me. How do you do? Will you please? I am sorry. I beg your pardon. Okay, children. Now, these sentences we will put and write the answer below. First, when somebody thanks me, what do you say? You say, you are welcome. When somebody thanks me, I say, you are welcome. Second, when I do not hear, what do you say? You say, I beg your pardon. When I do not hear what somebody says, I say, I beg your pardon. Okay, children. Now next. After I sneeze, I say dash. What do you say when you sneeze? You say, excuse me. After I sneeze, I say, excuse me. Next sentence. Now, when you meet anybody, what do you say? You say, how do you do? When I meet someone for the first time, I say, how do you do? Yes, children? Good. Now, fifth one. Now, when you make mistake in front of your parents or your teacher, what do you say, children? You say, I am sorry. I am sorry. You catch your ears and say, I am sorry. When I make a mistake, I say, I am sorry. Good. Sixth one. Now, you want to borrow something from your friend. What you say? What you say, children, when you want to borrow something from your friend? You say, will you please? Will you please? You tell your friend, please give me pencil. Please give me eraser. Yes, children, when I want to borrow something, I say, will you please? Yes, children. So, today we have learned in GK 2 chapters. First, useful comparisons And lesson number 2. Brush up your manners. Children, you have understood? Very good. Complete your book with good handwriting. Okay, children? Bye bye, children. Have a great day. Stay safe. Do not go out of the house. Wash your hands for 22 seconds. Wear mask compulsory when you go outside your house. Bye, children.